color really is, when we see it through our eyes, it's all relative to light, available light, and what it's next to. Lighting and relativity really pushes or pulls on colors. The reality is color is going to change all the time because lighting changes all the time.
Yep.
Sunrises, sunsets, it goes all the way around. You have sunny days, you don't have sunny days. It's going to change. And sometimes that's why it's hard to pick a color, because you're looking at a color at noon in the middle of the summer, and then in the middle of winter when it's 5 o'clock in the afternoon and dark. Why does this color look so gross? The lighting has made it look that way. So sometimes you want to look at, when you're choosing colors, look at them throughout the day, see what it does for you. Do you like it? And also another thing that I like to point out too for people is, when are you home most of the time? If you're home all the time, well, then that's really important. If you're only home in the evenings, maybe, looking at the evening time is probably your best time to check it. Because the reality is, sometimes you're not going to love that color 100% of the time.
Yeah.
You might like it 98% of the time, but there might be a day or two where you're like, I don't know about this. And it might even only just be in a corner that you don't like it.